Madan Chauhan, Hindi, and 9 Lehra, is an Indian politician and a member of the 16th Legislative Assembly of Uttar Pradesh of India. He represents the Garhmukteshwar constituency of Uttar Pradesh and is a member of the Samajwadi Party political party. Early life and education. Madan Chauhan was born in Meerut. He attended the Chaudhary Charan Singh University and attained Bachelor of Commerce degree. Political career. Madan Chauhan has been a MLA for 3 straight terms. He represented the Garhmukteshwar constituency and is a member of the Samajwadi Party political party. He was State Minister of Entertainment Department. He was in charge, Prabhari, of Lalitpur district. Lalitpur. He has also won the Best MLA award in UP, survey done by a private company. Posts held. See also. Garhmukteshwar. 16th Legislative Assembly of Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly. References.